Today we're going to be making a boozy brunch picnic for all your mates that you haven't seen in months. Let's start with the baskets. We've picked up 3 to have a look at. Starting with this pink fabric picnic bag from B&M for £5. An easy choice for many, but not your traditional picnic basket. Next is a plain wicker basket from Hobbycraft, which was £15. Although plain, it's a good cheap option for a picnic basket and it gives you room to customise it as well. Last is our slightly more expensive picnic basket at £40 from Amazon. This one does come with cutlery, glasses and plates included, but it's still on the pricey end for a picnic basket. In true on a budget fashion, we're going to take our £15 Hobbycraft basket and give it a bit of personality. You're going to need a fabric of your choice, some cardboard, a hot glue gun, a pair of scissors, small leather straps or elasticated fabric. Start with cutting a piece of cardboard to length for the size of your basket lid. You want to cut it slightly smaller than the size of the entire lid to let it close. Also trim off any rough edges on your cardboard. Cut your fabric to rough size and place your cardboard in the middle. Give yourself a small lip around the edge to be able to fold the fabric and glue it down. Get your hot glue gun and carefully start gluing down the lip of fabric onto the back of your cardboard. Take your time to do this and try to even out any creases. Once it's all glued down, trim any excess fabric you have around and you're all done. Do this process again for the bottom of your basket and then we can get ready to glue. The glue is going to set fast, so we glued the middle first and waited for it to set, then apply some extra glue around the edges to make sure it sticks. Next, we want to make 3 small slots for our cutlery. You can either do this with leather straps or this colourful elastic fabric. We chose the leather to give a more traditional look to our basket. You can go ahead and add whatever you like to your baskets, such as stencils or more straps, but we're going to move on to the next step. Cocktails. We're making a boozy brunch, and you can't do that without your cocktail of choice. Ours is a Sex on the Beach. It's a classic and it doesn't need too many ingredients. All of our ingredients are from Lidl and they cost £9.75 for a bottle of vodka, £4.39 for a bottle of peach schnapps, 89p for a carton of orange juice, and 59p for a carton of cranberry juice. We picked up this glass bottle for £5.99 from Amazon to keep our cocktail in. For our picnic, we're going to make up some smoked salmon bagels and also take along some yummy breakfast bits that we've got from Lidl for a total of £16.90. Finally, here's some extra bits we picked up for our picnic from B&M's summer range. There's reusable Prosecco glasses at £1.20 each, reusable plates at £1.50 each, eco-friendly reusable bowls £1.50 each, a lemon dip bowl £1, 8-pack mini freezer blocks £2.50, and a drinks dispenser for £5. Now let's go and have a drink!